Hi, you're with me again, Janine, your tapping specialist, Change for Success, and welcome to this tapping video. If you do like these videos, please hit subscribe. There's loads of other free videos on here to help you with your mental health, well-being and mindset. But today we're going to work on overthinking. Overthinking can be so problematic for many of us. So have a think how this feels for you, if it causes a lot of negativity, and just notice where you feel that in your body. Our feeling centres, our stomach or our chest. If you're feeling a lot of anxiety and worry around this, you might feel that in those areas. So really just get into this for a moment for me. Just get into how familiar this feels, because we're going to help you let go of that today. And this feeling of overthinking, you get to overthink everything. Does it cause negativity, anxiety, worry or stress? On a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being really bad and 0 being no issue at all, just give that a number on a scale of 0 to 10. And then I just want you to start tapping on the side of your hand, just taking care of your own well-being where you tap along with me in this short video. Okay. So even though I struggle with overthinking and it causes me so much anxiety, negativity and worry, I'm going to be open to letting that go today. All this need to overthink and really plagues so much of my life. What if I could be open to letting that go? And I choose to accept me now anyway, and maybe anyone else that might be involved. All this need to overthink, and it's causing me so much negativity, worry, anxiety. Maybe it's keeping me up at night. What if I could just be open to letting go? And instead, I choose to love and accept me now anyway. I'm going to stop beating myself up, being open to letting go. That's great, so just go on the points. All this overthinking. It feels like such a familiar pattern. And I can feel it in my body. And it's connected to anxiety, negative thoughts and worry. All this need to overthink. Anything that happens in my life, whether it's small or maybe a big life event, whatever it is, I just seem to overthink. I can't get these thoughts out of my mind. And it's having such an effect on me. All this need to overthink. And it's really plaguing my life. I'm feeling really anxious as a result. And I can feel it somewhere in my body. All this need to overthink. Just feels like such a familiar pattern. Goes all the way back through my past. What if I can't let this go? What if it's keeping me stuck? It simply feels like a familiar pattern. All this need to overthink. And then I begin to worry and catastrophize. What if I could just let go? What if I could be open to letting go? What if I could choose to think in a different way? What if I could just cut the cords with this pattern? What if I could just break the ties? Maybe the next time I notice this, I'll start to do some tapping or follow one of Janine's videos. Just start to break this pattern. What if I could be open to breaking this pattern? Because I get to choose. All this need to overthink. What if I could just let go? What if I could just choose to let go? Instead, tapping into feelings of clarity, tapping into feelings of calm. Maybe it's just an old pattern. Maybe I learnt it from someone else. Maybe it was just their stuff. What if I could just let go? All this need to overthink. I'm going to be open to letting go today. And even if I notice a small change in this 5 minutes, that's pretty good stuff. So I'm going to be open to letting go now. Letting go all this need to overthink, catastrophize. I'm choosing to let go. Because I have a choice. And it feels good. What if I could feel lighter and lighter, even as I tap? I'm choosing to let go now. It feels good to know that I can just let go. All these old patterns. Choosing to let go now. All the way back through my past. That's great. Take a nice deep breath for me. Breathe out. That's good. Maybe close your eyes for a minute or just take a moment to check in. That number should have hopefully lowered. Just see if any other thoughts or feelings come up there. If they did, just repeat this video for me. Maybe just do some more tapping, make some notes and do some more tapping about what's come up. If you need any more help or support, please do get in touch. I'd love to talk to you more if you need anything. Okay, thanks for joining me and I'll see you very soon.